Sunday like the rest. Just some sausages and sunshine, and the neighbors unimpressed. But the title's typed in capitals: Disaster at the Grill! With a siren and a skull, my guy. You're cooking. Chill. Here's a lady with a ficus, why I'm done with it all.
She's not done, she's back tomorrow with the 20-minute haul.
I just made a cup of coffee, what they don't want you to know. 30 minutes of a kettle, and the kettle's kinda slow. Cause somewhere, sometime, somebody decreed a normal face gets 0 clicks. So feed them what they need. Make the face, mouth wide open like the sky is falling down. Make the face, eyes like dinner plates and eyebrows leaving town. There's a red ring, there's an arrow, there's a finger in the air. Cause you won't believe what happens next. Spoiler, nothing happens there. Gone wrong, gone viral. Not clickbait, I swear. It's a video of laundry with dramatic hair. There's a grown man in a thumbnail gasping like he's seen a ghost. He was ranking frozen pizzas,
Mildly disappointed at the most.
and the algorithm purrs and pumps his face through all the screens, where a million other grown men gasp at microwaves and beans. Who made the first face? Who wrote the first law? Some prophet of engagement that nobody ever saw came down from Mount Atlantics with a tablet glowing red. Thou shalt open wide thy mouth, or thy channel shall be dead. And now every single morning all around the spinning world, grown adults stand at ring light stalls, rehearsed and eyebrows curled, going ooh. Make the face. Every Tuesday walk is titled My Final Vlog. Make the face. Emotional goodbye, he's just out walking the dog. Put a red ring on a toaster, point your finger at the glare, cause you won't believe what happens next. You've been there. Gone wrong, gone viral. Not clickbait, I swear. It's a man and his opinions with dramatic hair. And me? I know the trick, I've seen behind the curtain, I'm not dumb. Mailman came at 4 p.m. Emotional. I clicked. Of course I clicked. Subscribe.